Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you can you unblock Barman Mode in IM Security. In IM Security, you begin as a bouncer, managing club entry and keeping the venue safe. But what about the DJ or barman roles you see on the title screen? Are they playable? While some TikTok suggest these roles exist, they were actually early access feature given to select creators to promote the game. If you check IM Security on Steam, you see it's not fully available yet, and community discussions hint that these roles are still in development or planned for future updates. In short, unlocking the DJ and barman in IM Security VR may require progressing through bouncer mode and keeping your game updated. As for IM Security Mobile, there's no sign of these roles at all, so if they're not showing up for you yet, stay tuned. Your turn behind a bar or DJ booth might just be a feature update away. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.